Add or subtract, write the answer in lowest terms. We have a difference of two rational expressions, x plus 1 over 3 minus x squared over x minus 3. Now, in inspecting these denominators, which we have to have a common denominator in order to subtract, we notice that they are opposites. So we can actually choose either one of them to represent the lowest common denominator. I'm going to choose the 3 minus x to be the lowest common denominator in this case, and thereby change the second rational expression so that it has that LCD. Here we go. Let's leave the first fraction alone, x plus 1 over 3 minus x. Now with our second fraction, x squared over x minus 3, in order to change the signs of the denominator, I'm going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by a negative 1. So the numerator times negative 1 and the denominator times a negative 1 as well. Now, as we do that on the right-hand side in the denominator, negative 1 times x is negative x, same thing we have up front, and negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3, the same thing that we have up front. So both of these fractions now have that lowest common denominator of 3 minus x. Let's focus on the numerators. Up front we've got an x plus 1. Now with our second fraction, we have a minus x squared times a negative 1. We can attach that minus sign to the numerator and think of this as negative x squared times negative 1, which is a positive x squared. We've got a good answer here. I'm going to go ahead and just rearrange the terms of the numerator, writing them in decreasing degree order. So that becomes x squared plus x plus 1 over 3 minus x. This is in reduced form. There are no common factors that are going to cancel. So one form of our answer looks like x squared plus 1 over 3 minus x.